Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be trying the best food trucks in Missouri in my opinion. But before we get started, press that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And let's get started. Like this. Alright, I'm here trying Simply Better for the first time. It's a food truck. Hopefully this smoothie is really good.
Oh no, it's spilling.
Okay, if I had to rate this, it's like a 4.5 stars out of 5. It's actually really good. Although, I got it all over my clothes, so. Okay, now I'm trying the acai bowl.
I wonder how that's gonna taste. Your standards.
It's actually really good.
I would try the smoothie. Wait, no, the acai bowl and then the smoothie.
And it's really thick, which I like. It's not like watered down. Yeah, this is delicious. It gets 5 out of 5 stars. I'm trying a burrito from, I don't know what it's called. Well, I'm not going to even try to pronounce it, but I'm going to put the name on the screen. And as always, I'm going to leave the link to the Google Maps location in the description. Okay, let me try this. It's actually really good, but spicy. I don't like spicy food. Probably shouldn't have had the spicy peppers in it. But if I was to give this a rating, I would give this like a 3.5 stars. So I'm trying Tropical Snow food truck in Springfield. It's really good. I would say I would give this like maybe a 4 out of 5. You should check it out. It's really good. I'll leave a link down in the description of the Google Map location. It tastes like raspberries. That was really refreshing, really good. Guys, I'm trying a new food truck, shipping container type of thing. I guess it's made out of a shipping container, but it's called Lovecraft Farms, and they sell lemonade and coffee. I got the lemonade because I can't have coffee, but I mean, I really like this lemonade because it's kind of like a savory lemonade. It's not very sweet. And I think it has a little bit of vanilla in it, so that's cool. If I was to rate this, I would give it like a 7 out of 10. It's really good. The sauce is kind of watery though. But the pizza is delicious. Okay, so this is a blood orange sparkling soda, and I like it a lot. It's delicious. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video, but remember, if you like to press that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And remember to spread positivity and have a great day. Bye.